whoa! That's a sweat.
Bring them nose to nose, no?
Yeah. Let her get used to it. Is she gonna film this? She likes being with us now. Look at her coming to me. Do I need to lift you up?
Maybe give her to Marco.
She's my baby.
No, Archie is.
Archie. No leash?
I don't think she likes you. She's really tired right now.
Yeah, this is not love at first sight.